You guys gotta turn my right.
Get yourself to stab.
Let's go.
Go, boys. Here we go.
Turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right. Yeah, a little more.
Got milk without armor.
Touch my rope. Good. That's perfect. Good.
Cav, you outnumber them. Stop trying to pick them off.
They're moving. Alright, infantry.
Right behind you, Zeth.
Move right.
This is it.
Are we? We're not extending out, are we? Oh, we've immediately lost all semblance of a line.
Wait,
Perfect the infantry.
let the camp work.
Never defeat my brave noble
Hold your
spirit.
Close.
There's a bear.
Boar. Kill boar.
I got the cat.
Alright. Stab.
Dude. It's bad.
Protect the captors.
Now look at them having
Form up as a squad.
Get him. Form up right here. Left side. Push this left side.
Come on. Don't
Push.
run.
We're winning on the left. Winning on the left. Hey, the rest of you push this right. Push this right. Behind him. Go behind him right now. Get behind him. Push this right. We're winning this one. We're winning this. Keep pushing this right side in. We're winning on the right. Keep pushing. We're winning. Keep going. Go. All the way through. Don't stop going. Don't stop. We just want this. Keep going. Go.
Every test.
We win! We're winning this!
Come on, my lappers. Yeah! Clean it up!
You can move.
For the pagan, blood for the blood gods! Blood for the blood gods!
Full goods.
Drop the ramp and get up.
Oh yeah.
Stop shooting the fucking catapult. Stop shooting. You're killing.
I don't have a second monitor. What's happening?
The siege tower just engaged. And the catapult's
we
hitting
just-
the backliners.
Yeah, I was about to say the.
Up the ladder.
Oh my god.
How do I stop my guy from lore walking? My guy's just fucking like sauntering around.
Shift Q. Shift Q.
Oh, okay.
Pile in there. Stop shooting the catapult.
For them or for us?
G.
Uh-oh.
I'm an idiot.
They're starting to fall down. You are now.
Yeah, we can push. Push. Go up, guys. Go up.
Make sure you have enough stamina.
Oh no, don't. That's right.
Hey guys, on the right, get up. Get up this right side. Get up this right ladder. Get up this right fucking ladder. Get on the fucking ladder and get up there. Go. Right side push in. You're weak on the right. Push. Get up and fucking push this right side.
We've got the wall!
Get up there, people!
Clicking Q is not working.
Push. Left side push.
Brother blocked.
Come on, push. Come on, push them!
They need avatars.
Just backing up.
Clint, you still up there?
Down here, man.
Clint, can you get avatars to the front?
Not again.
Can I what?
Push them.
You get avatars to the camp.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I can do.
Nice one, yeah, Oxblood's just...
The catapult killed 10 of them. At least 10 of them. Food in the wagon if you need it.
And we have 15 barrels of berries ready to be transported.
I think it's because the
Hey, push forward. We have more bodies. Start pushing. Push hard. Get in there quick.
Yeah, that.
Allez Marcel, on les dépouille.
Allez, 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 allez.
Pour Calade. Ouais, gars. Hey. Pour Calade.
Tighten it up, ancient.
Chickens!
Beautiful shit.
Come on!
Whoever is low out there, back.
Stay together. Very slowly.
If you're wounded, heal. Back up.
No, somebody's parked the shit here. I'm just trying to rescue it. But I think it's fucked. Have we still got another one back at the camp? The back of the keep?
Come on, give
Or
me
the bear could decide to get stuck.
It's always satisfying to kill them, sir.
It worked!
baby.
Up
Let's
the
go.
tower! Up the
That's
tower!
beautiful.
Get in! Go! Up the tower! Up the tower! Up the tower! Up the tower! Go in! Up the tower! In! Up!
They're coming from behind. Watch out, guys. Get up.
Oh, that is some tech right there.
Now this is pod racing.
Okay, everybody.
Deploy the tower back.
Lamau, I just got fucking
Hey,
rock.
put-
Remnants push. Okay.
Remnants push, ancients push.
Oh, watch out for the-
Push. Circle.
Get off of it.
Jump down!
You gotta kill this maze guy. Fuck. Go ahead. They're running. Chase him down. Lock combat lock. Run him down. Lock him. Lock him, boys. Lock him.
Get him!
Lock everybody.
Yeah, run away.
Drop your weapons! Put your weapons away! Weapon down! Go!
Avenge the
Chase him!
Every last one of them.
Get the ones ahead!
Horses, hunt them down.
Cavalry, get the ones ahead.
That's what we do, boy.
120. Those are 150s.
It is why so vivo before us.
Burn.
Display the death of a name.
Wait, whose avatar is this? It's a family one. Crazy.
I'm sorry.
Family avatar.
Can we get some rams in here to speed this up?
I hit you
Oh,
there
yeah.
with it.
Let the beat roll. In the
What are you gonna do with that